Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free critique of the website Silicon Baggie. And I'm on a homepage. I like that you've got everything that's needed above the fold. So the logo, the header area, link to all products, top navigation, the product image, add to cart, title, price, everything is here. So this is absolutely perfect for the conversion rate. When it comes to the design, I am not 100% sure about this image. I'm not sure why you need it here because you can easily either add a featured image like a promo image showing your products right below the header area or change it because it looks like a slice of lemon, so I'm not sure how it relates to the products because it would make sense if you were show the product here instead of the food because it just it looks it's a beautiful close-up image, but it doesn't really add anything in terms of your conversion rate or prompting people to buy. So it's a little bit confusing, and because it's busy, it's difficult to see the top menu, which is obviously your priority as an e-commerce store. You want people to really see those the um, buy here button, add to cart, search function as well. Uh, when it comes to the homepage, because you've got one product store, I would aim to add more content to the homepage to really introduce your product to the customers, explain the benefits, explain how it works. I understand that everybody knows how the zip bags work, but don't leave the guessing to your customers. It's your job as a marketer, as someone who wants to sell the products, to really delight your customers, delight them with your knowledge of the benefits, with your knowledge of the value those food bags will bring to their life, how much they will make it easier for them to store products so you can focus on certain pain points. For example, the food going out of date or reducing the plastic bag. Obviously waste is a big problem, and obviously one of the main reasons why people want to use reusable products like this one. So focusing more on this kind of content on the homepage will help you engage with your visitors much further, build rapport, and actually make quite stronger sale. Copy what other one products store do, because the goal for your website is to keep your visitor on your site for as long as possible. It is much better for your conversion rate, much better for your SEO if they spend more time on your website, and you do it with videos, you do it with charts, you do it with some kind of slideshows, you do it with blog posts, you do it with longer content. And I'll give you an example of a one product website that really mastered the art of content marketing or content strategy on their website. So this is the Crazy Cup website selling disposable water bottles. As you can see, they've got promo image at the top. They've got explanatory content below about the benefits of the product. They've got other supporting content below with calls to action. They've got benefits, slideshows, how to use the product, and they've got other information. They've got instructions how to use it. They've got key product features. And obviously, apart from that, they've got blog posts, videos, and so on. So this is how your homepage really should look like if you're selling one product store. Now, optimizing or reviewing your website further, I'll just have a look at other pages. So when it comes to contact us, add a little bit introduction at the top. For example, say fill in the contact form below to contact us. So this kind of introductory short paragraph really creates this rapport and improves calls to action. So when you're running e-commerce store, it's quite important to give clear idea for visitors what are they expected to do next. Don't let them just guess that this is the contact page to use it to contact you. Make sure to add one or two sentences just as an intro and explain obviously how to use it, because obviously this is self-explanatory, but this is obviously how you really build rapport and engage with your visitors. Your refund policy still has default Shopify information, so I would write a unique refund policy, especially that your products are so specific. If they are used once, you have to specify where if people can still return them, because the default refund policy might not include all the information that you would like. Also, the default policy still mentions items that you're not selling, such as health and personal care items, downloadable software products. So it can actually look a little bit confusing for your visitors, can affect your trust. Another plus for using unique policy is the fact that you won't be using duplicate content. And duplicate content means that hundreds of other websites will be using the same exact policy, which means that duplicate content can affect negatively your SEO, because Google really is not a big fan of duplicate content. So make sure to work on this. Also, shipping policy. So if you offer free delivery, make sure to inform on it. The really good place is the top bar, and you can say free international delivery for all orders. Otherwise, people might hesitate before placing an order, because they might not sure how much they will be likely to pay for the delivery, whether you deliver to to their country, or just you deliver nationwide where you are located, and so on. Another great way to build trust is add about us page. So this is a strong introductory really content to show your personal side, tell about your contact details, email address, physical address if you want to display it. Obviously, this is not a necessity, but if you could add a photo of yourself or photo of your team, this is really a great way to build a rapport and build trust, which is really huge for conversion rate. So work on the trust signal for your website. When it comes to SEO, your SEO could definitely be better. Your score is 47 out of 100. The Google snippet is undefined, so I do encourage you to define Google snippet, which is meta title, meta description for your homepage, for products, for all pages and blog posts, because this is the value visible in Google search results. If you don't have defined it, it will be auto-generated, which will mean that it won't contain all the key information you would like people see when they come across your listing. Make sure to add more hashtags to each page. Make sure to work on the content as well, the content analysis. So rank for your target keywords such as zip, bags, and so on. At the moment, you just rank for very generic words such as card your search, price, and so on. So yeah, adding more written content and making sure that it's SEO friendly can help you improve your SEO further. So those I mentioned, meta description, meta title, keyword consistency, I've already discussed this, amount of content, so more written content such as blog posts. Your image alt tags are also important, so make sure to define alt attributes for each image you add. This is also important for your SEO and for your user experience, especially for people who are browsing your website using screen readers. They will be able to access and understand the images better this way. You've got no broken links, which is great. Work on friendly URLs, so make sure they are shorter, more defined, and contain your target keywords as well. You've got Google Analytics sitemap present, which is perfect, and your website looks great on mobile, doesn't have any speed issues as well. So I hope you found this review useful, and if you would like to request a free critique for your own website, go to www.rockpapercopy.com/Facebook. Thank you so much. Bye bye.